I bet if you could reduce the water you use for irrigation and still keep a healthy lawn, you would. I'm Deanie Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about getting the most from your irrigation system right after this. Ready to make your slippery surfaces safer indoors and out? Deitch Coatings now brings you Track Safe Anti-Slip Sealer, and I think it's a winner. Track Safe is a tough pre-mixed clear coat you can roll onto slippery concrete, stone, tile, linoleum, and painted surfaces. It brings added beauty and foot traction to steps, wet pool decks and walkways, garage and interior floors, and more. Get a grip with slip-resistant Track Safe. Order today online through the Home Depot or at DeitchCoatings.com. Every year we waste millions of gallons of water while we're trying to keep our lawns and gardens green. Some experts say that as much as 50% of the water used in landscape irrigation is lost to overwatering, evaporation, and poor sprinkler system design or maintenance. To reduce your water use, consider using a drip irrigation system or a less expensive alternative like a soaker hose. Because these methods deliver water slowly and more directly to the roots of the plants, much less of it is lost to evaporation. As much as 70% less. If you have a programmable irrigation system, install a rain sensor. It will interrupt the programmed cycle during a period of rain so that you don't overwater. If you use a portable sprinkler, add a hose-in timer so that you don't forget to turn it off. I'm Deanie Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.